In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could check friend requests here on Discord. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And also, if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to pretty much every single comment. So if you do have any questions, ask them down there. I can help you out further. Maybe someone told you that they did send you a friend request and now you're wondering how you can actually find it and accept it. Here's exactly how you can go ahead and do that. First things first, open up Discord. And what you're going to want to do is actually just like swipe out and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. There's going to be up in the top left a section that looks like a bunch of different chats. Go ahead and select that and it's going to take you to your messages tab. Now from here, you're going to see a little option that says add friends up in the top. You could go ahead and select that. And then from here, you're going to see all of your incoming friend requests. And from here, all you have to do is just go through the list. And if you do want to add them back, go ahead and click on this little like checkbox. If you don't want to add them back, go ahead and hit on this X. But on top of that, if you don't see this add friends option, you can also go ahead and select this message request thing here as well. And most of the times, these people are going to be the exact same people that are adding you as a friend. You could go ahead and just select them, and you'll have the option to accept their DM and also accept their request within here. Yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.